Welcome to the workshop. This time we are in beautiful Venice. I was 26 years old when I first visited Venice on our honeymoon. Claude Monet was 68 years old when he discovered Venice. In 1908 he and his wife Alice finally accepted the invitation to stay with their friend there. Monet wasn't sure if he wanted to paint Venice or not because so many others had painted it before him, but when he got there, he was, like so many others, including myself, overcome by the beauty of the place, and he ended up staying for 2 whole months, in which time he painted feverishly, producing a total of 37 paintings, which are now some of his most popular works. Monet never did finish this painting of the Gondola. After researching all Monet's paintings from Venice, I made this sketch in Photoshop by piecing together parts from 2 of his other paintings and adding some light into the foreground. Now let's get our brushes out and see if we can do justice to Monet's final vision of beautiful Venice. Follow me step by step as I demonstrate in oils and show you the techniques I use to recreate this beautiful scene of a gondola on the Grand Canal from the Grand Master of Impressionism, Claude Monet. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.